Welcome back. This is just into our newsroom right now. The former head of the Broward Teachers Union, convicted of stealing hundreds of thousands of dollars from the organization and teachers, has now been sentenced on federal charges. Local 10 News reporter Todd Dongan, he was at that hearing today. He joins us now. He's live in Fort Lauderdale. Todd, what happened?
Well, Christy, it did not go Pat Santeramo's way. He was literally shocked and stunned inside the courtroom when the judge handed down that sentence. Former Broward Teachers Union head Pat Santeramo appeared absolutely stunned before that federal judge when he received an 18-month prison sentence for charges stemming from a scheme to defraud the union of $300,000. Judge Williams Locke departed from the plea agreement guidelines and sent a message by making the sentence consecutive to his 5-year state sentence instead of concurrent. He also ordered $93,000 in restitution, which Santeramo has already paid, and a $4,000 fine. Now, both the U.S. prosecutor and Santeramo's attorney appeared thrown by this judge's decision.
Mr. Santeramo fully understood the potential for a sentence. He knew the ability of Judge Locke to impose a consecutive sentence, so that was not a surprise, although the recommendation of the United States government and Mr. Santeramo to the judge was a concurrent sentence. How that is impacted in real time remains to be seen. It still seems very likely that the intention of the parties and Judge Levinson to impose concurrent time can be achieved over time, but that remains to be seen.
Pat, anything you want to say to the teachers of Broward County?
No comment. No comment at all.
And so Santeramo was tight-lipped when asked if he wanted to address the teachers that he stole money from personally. He didn't have anything to say. So essentially what this means is that he right now is going to be turning himself in over at the Broward County Courthouse to serve that 5 years in state prison, and then after he finishes that, he will have to serve the 18-month sentence in federal prison. Reporting live in Fort Lauderdale, Todd Dongan, Local 10 News.